Yeah, so hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes. I'm the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so this week, a lot of people are celebrating because they have heard that Facebook monetization is eligible in Ghana right now, and lots of people too don't know how they will monetize their page. So today's video, I want to show you how you can monetize your page from scratch to make money. So if the tutorials I'm about to share is very educative, please make sure that you subscribe and share it to your friends for them to also get to know it. Yeah, so I've written that when you open Facebook, it's in two folds. We have the like, so let me switch for you to see. So in this phase is Facebook. Like this one, you just have to send friend request, and my friends are currently 2.8k friends. You see, 2.8k friends, and people are saying that unless you get 5,000 before you can activate your Facebook friendship page. That's a cool idea. So that one, if you want to do it, everything that if you go to your friends, you have more friends. You have more friends, so you can add them. Add them. You can add them. Yeah, but my focus is not on that, on this particularly. I reason that when you open Facebook, you can you can create a page. I hope you know it. You can create a page. So when you create a page, then the page, you monetize that page. I hope you know it. Yeah. So I've seen that if you click on this icon here, they'll be like, create a Facebook profile. Have you seen it? Yeah. So you create a Facebook profile and you get something like this. That one, you can only like it. You will not follow it. You will not send friend request, but you can follow or like it. Yeah. So when you do that thing, then you switch from your normal Facebook to your page. So currently this is my page. My page is 10k, and people be saying that because you have 10,000, that's why you have monetized it. I'll also show you a page that I have less than 500 likes, 500 followers, but I've still monetized it. So I'll show you. So how will I like teach you, or how will you know that my Facebook have monetized? So first of all, let me just create a post for you to see, just a normal post for you to see. So if I come to post, I'm just posting something like that: monetization. And if I'm posting, I've been seen that they say monetization, earn money on your content. You see that? So if I post, the more engagement my post gets, the more too I'll be getting money from it. I hope you see it. Yeah, it means that my account is what monetized. You see, yeah. So let me show you how you can do it. So when you create the accounts, the Facebook page accounts, but if you don't understand anything, you can follow me, chat me. I'll put you through. I will teach you much about it. Yeah. So have you seen that we have this icon over here? Or even if you go to your profile, you can see dashboard. See dashboard over here. Have you seen it? Yeah. So what you have to do is what? Just click on the dashboard. So if you click on the dashboard, you see that we have home, insights, creation, growth, and monetization over here. Yeah. So if you go to monetization, I find my money. Yeah. We have 5 types of monetization that you can follow. The first one I was doing stars, the stars, but right now they say Ghana is not eligible, and I used VPN to do it. So I was earning stars, but when they found out that I'm in Ghana, they deactivate my stars. Yeah. So this is your eligible things. So to make money on Facebook, first of all, you have to be someone who posts regularly. You have to be someone who posts more videos and more reels. You have to be someone who go lives. You see, you have to be someone who do live streaming. So all these things, if you know that you are not doing this thing, you can't make money on Facebook. And one thing about Facebook is that on YouTube, copyright will catch you fast, but Facebook, you can copy someone's video and repost it, and you'll still make money on it. All you have to do is just add some retouch to it, and you're good to go. Yeah. So when I come to my ads reels, make money by including ads in your reels. So if have you noticed that when you're watching some reels, you can see some adverts on the down. Some adverts will be on the down after the video, and you'll see some adverts over. Yeah, that's the ads on reels. So if you click on it, then you go to submit. Yeah. So you let me use account that I haven't monetized so that you get to know much about it. Okay, let me use this account. Yeah. So let me go to my home and go to dashboard. I haven't monetized this account. Yeah. So what I'm saying is that you go to monetization. This monetization here. And one thing about this account is it's not more than 2K. It's not more than 2K. It's less than 2K. You see? Yeah. So all you have to do is what? Just go to monetization. And obviously we have reels, bonus, live stream. So just click on the add reels and you go to submitted. So if submit, they will review it within 7 days or within 14 days. Then they will accept your application. I've written that this example, I've written that there's advert under the video. Yeah. So the more people watch your reels, the more you to be getting money. And the second one is what? Amplify your content. So this one, the more your content gets engagement, the more you to be getting money. So if you click on it, then you come to submitted, and it submits for you to be what? Monetized on Facebook. Yeah. And live ads, this one, they have some criteria, so you have to follow all. The first one, you are in an eligible country. That one is tick. Your profile has at least 10K followers. So this one have only 1K. So yeah. And your videos are less than 600,000 views or 600,000 minutes watch, and at least 60,000 of those minutes are from live. So if you have some 16,000 watch here, at least 60,000 have to come from live. Have you seen it? And you have shared 5 or more eligible. So this one, you can follow the criteria, so you can work towards it to achieve it. I hope you understand. So you can work towards it to achieve it. Yeah. And if you achieve all these things, you'll see that your follow Facebook content will be tick green. So it means that you are follow all the criteria. The same thing applies to this one too. In the stream ads. Yeah. So this one, it means that you are going live, you're doing streaming, but you see that adverts will be running under your post. And that one too, you have to follow their criteria. That one, you just need 5,000 followers and 60,000 watch hours, and you have shared at least 5 eligible videos. So I've shared only 2, so I can choose to post 3 videos right now, and it will take green. You see it? Yeah. So it's simple as that. Yeah. So after doing all these things, after doing all these things, you have to what add your payments, or you have to add your tax. So that the tax, I will do a full video on how to show you how you can add your tax, because you need some certain things to add the tax so that you can receive your money from Facebook. You see, so let me show you something right here. So if I click on see more, see all, I will see now they say add tax info. So the add tax info, you have to add tax to it. So you have to add your tax, and I will show you how you can add your tax so that you can the Facebook can pay out your money, and Ghana too would deduct their tax from it. Yeah. So I'll do full video about how you can add your tax to it. So first of all, I say that if you are using normal Facebook and it's not yet 5,000, it's not up to 5,000 followers, you can just click on this thing, create a Facebook page. You see, create a Facebook page, and when you create a Facebook page, you are good to go. You can even click here, page here, and create a page. You see, and you can create a page over here. You see, yeah. So, but if you don't understand anything, you can contact me and I will show you how or more details about it. Yeah. So this is how I monetize my page, and if I'm posting a reel or a video, it will monetize. Create reel. So I've seen it earn more money and also in stars. So if I share it, it will monetize and everything. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And if you don't understand anything, you can